Hey everyone, it's Jesse, educatedemonstratesale.com. Do a quick video on ActiveCampaign's new email campaign builder, which is really neat. A lot of people have mentioned to me that they thought the campaign builder was a little bit too simplistic, and they've updated that recently. And ActiveCampaign's really awesome software, really good for small business, really good if you have a Shopify store, to really stay in touch with your customers and keep everything organized. And if you're not emailing your customers, if you're not staying in touch with them, they're going to forget about you. It's called the recency effect. So making sure we add customers to an email list, getting them to opt in exchange for free training, which we really like, which we're starting to do in our site. So for instance, you'll see here, we have, we build our site using Thrive Suite. Link in the description. Big fans of Thrive Suite, Thrive themes for WordPress. So once someone submits to get the free training, it redirects them to a site, another site, and they get added to a list via ActiveCampaign, which is integrated right here. And then the user goes on a sequence. For instance, they subscribe to a list, it waits 5 minutes, and it sends an email, welcome to the training. It waits a day, sends another email, get day 2 of the training, the sales training, which we provide for free. And then after that, we'll be building it out where, if after 5 days, we pitch our training programs, and we can have really specific triggers and automations here where if, say, someone doesn't book a call via Calendly, if that tag's not there, we can alert myself or one of my associates via an email to manually follow up with someone, right? So you can do really advanced things here. And then also with the new email builder, it's literally just drag and drop. So we can replace this picture. This is a template. So really impressive work they've done with the email builder here. And also, let's go here. Save button. So you can basically decide on your border, what kind of border radius, and also, for instance, if we want a video, we can bring a video in here, and then just put your YouTube URL. So really advanced stuff you can do with the ActiveCampaign email automation builder, and also add it into your automations. We really enjoy ActiveCampaign as not just a email automation tool, but also it's a good CRM, which we use for a recruiting use case. And of course, we also use and recommend SalesMate.io if you are making outbound calls, or if you're more of a consulting organization, B2B organization. And ActiveCampaign we really like because it has integrations with LMS programs. It has integrations with Calendly. It has integrations with JustCall. It has thousands of integrations. So if you're a small business, if you're an emerging business, and you want to create more time for yourself, then you definitely should take a free trial of ActiveCampaign. Link in the description. 14-day free trial. No credit card required. And we are partners, so if you do go beyond your free trial, we do get a commission. But we've been an ActiveCampaign client for, I'd say, going on 3 years. So we really like the software. It's very powerful, and really good value for what you're getting, and definitely hope you try it out. Talk to you guys soon.